F1 news early. Can Verstappen win with a tractor? Former Red Bull boss Tost highly recognizes Verstappen. I think Verstappen is a very special driver. First of all, his pure speed is faster than other drivers. Secondly, his mental quality is very strong. Ability to display super talent at critical moments. That's his brilliance Red Bull to bring major upgrades to Imola. Hopefully the car will be significantly improved. Let's hope Red Bull's upgrade works. One thing is certain, that is, Verstappen can choose any team. Everybody wants to take him down. His lap time was 0.3 seconds faster than the others. This is a huge advantage. You can't do this with short-term upgrades. Unless you happen to create a miracle, usually takes a long time. It can also make your car 0.3 seconds faster. This will cost at least $10 million. Even if Verstappen drives a tractor, he can win too. For example, he tested a Ferrari GT last year. He was soon 2 seconds faster than the others. This comes from his keen sense of speed, ability to control the vehicle. He can handle any F1 car. He needs to fine-tune the car, the one that best suits his driving style. McLaren driver feud. This is because McLaren's lineup is too luxurious. They have the best cars, two very good drivers. Their only goal is to win the Constructors' Championship, so they allowed 2 drivers. To some extent, they compete with each other. I think Piastri has a great chance. Won this year's World Championship. He's as fast as Norris, but the psychological quality is much stronger than Norris. Zach Brown expects Norris and Piastri too. Sometime this season, collision on the track. The team has already made plans on how to deal with this outcome. Be prepared. Zach Brown said, I know everyone is waiting for that moment. I think when they are more competitive, and when someone makes a small mistake, that moment will come. But I don't worry about the outcome, because we've already discussed this. We know it's only a matter of time, rather than a question of whether it will happen. Drivers can work very hard, very clean competition. Sometimes people make mistakes. If 2 cars drive side by side 24 times in a year, collisions always happen. But I think the drivers have a good relationship with each other. They could have an epic battle on the track, even if there are some minor conflicts between them. We can also shake hands and make peace after the game. I won't change the driver lineup. They're all great guys. They have a strong team spirit. We also get along well in the pit area. They inspire each other. Everybody is relaxed about it. Because everyone knows that in a race, accidents can happen. I am very sure that they don't intentionally knock each other off the track. Collision at Forest Road in 1989 or 1990. Won't repeat the same mistakes. Martin hopes to make progress with new wind tunnel. Cowell said, we have passed the transition period to the new wind tunnel. The next few games, you will see the first parts coming out of the new wind tunnel. We still have to learn how to interpret the results from the new wind tunnel. You completed the development in a wind tunnel. Then we turn to another wind tunnel. No 2 wind tunnels will tell you exactly the same thing, but we love the new wind tunnel. It provides us with a better perspective. The operations director in charge of parts production also revealed that Cowell requires us to more time for the aerodynamics department to complete their design. These designs were the result of October last year. The time we save compared to previous years, real progress has been made. We delivered 2 complete race cars for the first time for sending money test, and there were no mechanical failures in Bahrain. This is a testament to our good preparation and production quality. We also have a 3rd chassis ready for Australia. We produce 75% of our parts ourselves. This is a 7% increase from last year. As of February, we produce 3,666 parts per week. Our parts production increased 3.5 times. Quality is also improving. Cost reduction of 33%. As our self-sufficiency increases, the level of operation is also continuing to grow.